So when you have a business and you are not certain of the challenges that might come in the future, it is best and better you insure the business. If you know you can manage the risk, or if you know you can cater for these losses that will arise, definitely you can skip the insurance policy. Now, insurance covers most of the costs of operation in the event of any losses that arise in the business. Because when the business is shut down, they incur expenses, the bills, and other expenses that goes along with owning a business. Even if your business is shut down, you still have to pay the rent for your for your business place or for your company. You have to pay if it's not yours. So when there is an issue, the insurance company will steps in. Or let's take for instance the event of fire outburst in the company and most of your machines get burned. Then when it comes to replacement, it lies in the hands of the insurance company. So whenever you are doing a business insurance policy or business interruption policy, it is very important that you go through the process in a way that when these losses comes, you get a soft landing. Because the cost of operation, if you are to transfer to a temporary site to conduct your business, the insurance company will also assist you until your business place is fixed or is back and running again. Then the policy stops. So whenever there's an issue as regards finance, probably you couldn't meet up with your financial quota, the insurance company also comes in. Depends on the policy that you made with them, or depends on the insurance policy you have in your portfolio. So if you are involved in goods and commodity, in manufacturing and sales of goods and commodity, it is very important that you also insure your business on that aspect. So in that case, when there is a financial loss, then the insurance company steps in and gives you a soft landing. So which is why I always advocate insurance is very vital in your financial plan, because it saves you a lot of thinking, a lot of head cracking on how to resolve a certain issues that will arise in the course of running your business. So it is not enough to have a business, you're doing well. When it comes to losses, what happens then? So you have to take note of this fact. If you are young, you are going to business, be it tech, production, manufacturing, textile, or any sector you are venturing into. Remember to put also into consideration the insurance policy, especially the business interruption policy, that will give you a soft landing in the event of any foreclosure or any calamity that comes in, or any hazard that will arise in the course of running the business. So you don't have to put yourself in so much indebtedness and then start thinking on how to repay the debt. But when you have your insurance policy and you run into this crisis, they step in for you and assist you and get the work done. So insurance policy, it is very vital in your financial plan so that it doesn't eat up the savings you have, probably for expansion or to establish another branch of your business, or to create something different or something unique that will also sell in the market. But by the time you don't have this policy in your business, then when all these things happen, your worker will sit at home and you will not be able to pay them. Your machinery will get burned and destroyed. You'll be looking for money elsewhere to replace them, or you go back and get a loan to replace them, thereby paying interest, something that the insurance company would have done for you if you had the policy in place. So this is a time that we have to wake up and be smart and get involved, or get insurance involved in our financial plan. It will save you a lot. Yeah, most of the times you think the premium you're paying, you're just wasting it. No one pays for damages, no one pays for unforeseen losses, but it happens. It happens. this brings us to the types of commercial of business interruption insurance. Now, before we go there, we need to talk about insurance for commercial purposes. Now, insurance for commercial purpose is different from a single or a private system of insurance or private policy. I could have a house and I will insure the house against any unforeseen damage or loss that will come in. I'll get a premium for it. But I could have a real estate firm where I have a number of properties, and when I insure those properties, I will pay a premium, but it will not be on the high side because it is for commercial purpose. I could have a car, I could insure it. I might pay a high premium because it is private. I might have an automobile company. I can have fleet of cars, and then the insurance premium will be a little bit low because it is for commercial purpose. So commercial insurance is a little bit different from private insurance. So commercial insurance, it is vital, to keep the company and also the economy up and doing. Because if there is no insurance guiding a community or an economic system, if something happens, it affects the economy. If a crisis happens, it affects the economy. If there's a fire outburst, an earthquake, or a natural disaster that happens, it affects the economy. But with insurance in place, both commercial, private, and all that, it helps to stabilize, to give stability to the economy. Why? Because people will not be out of jobs. It will take you out of debt. Because the time you'll be looking for money to buy up or to replace your machineries, to get your place up and doing, to raise the structure back up, you see that it has affected the economic growth. But with insurance, it doesn't affect it, because why? Insurance steps in, bring it back to the way it was, and then your business continues.